Hey guys, what's up? Trucker Dave here. Tip and trick. How do you keep clean on the road? People ask. I tell you, usually if you put 50 gallons of gas or more in your truck, you get a free shower worth $12. So I'm going to show you how it works. Here's your showers. Turn the code. And hey, we are in. Just freshly cleaned. So here's what the showers look like. Got yourself a little sink, a shower stall freshly cleaned, and your own personal shitter. So I was driving for 10 hours yesterday, and I got a 10-hour day today. All scruffy. So I'm going to go and take a shower. So that's how you keep clean on the road.